So hey everyone. I don't know coding first of all. I have no idea about coding. I just know Java a bit, which is what I learned in class ninth and 10th. Apart from that, I don't know anything about coding. I don't know anything about web development or shit. So recently I've been just you know, surfing out and found out that AI is web development. Well, I've known this since like good amount of time, but it has improved a lot. So I was trying building an app. Uh, It's basically for learning chess opening. So basically in chess, you need to some like mug up some opening moves so that you can perform better. So it was just a idea, and it's been already made by some of them. And the inspiration that I've taken from is ChessReps. There's a website known as it, and it's very nice. It's very I mean easy, and it's you can really learn from that. You can really mug up you actually have to mug up opening, so you can really mug up from that. And yeah, I've been trying to make my own, and it's just 2 days that I've worked on, probably like 4 or 5 hours on this. And I was just, I was very fascinated by that because I have zero idea about development, but I'm still able to create, and it's working good. Like, let me show you it. And all of this is just asked from Chat GPT and just prompting, copying, and pasting. Asking GPT to prompt for cursor and then pasting this on cursor and then just developing this. See, let me try running it and show you. um Wait a second. See, so first what I did was that I built it on Lovable. Lovable is an app which you can build front ends on. So all of this front end is developed by Lovable, and after which I got like all of this is free, right? So Lovable, my credits were over. Credits are basically you know um, a measure to actually like a measure to measure basically uh, the amount of credits you have, the amount of questions or the amount of prompts you can put into it, or the amount of work you can uh, you know output from it. So basically I developed this UI. UI is basically user interface. So this front end was developed by Lovable, and all of the working and all was developed by Cursor. So for example, Sicilian, right? So I can just click on main line. I can actually practice. Sound is also coming. The moves is also playing. So for example, if I play a wrong move, these are like I know the opening a bit, so I'm playing the right moves. But for example, let's say I play a wrong move, so it shows the right one. It shows the right one, and it puts the which is actually how it is supposed to happen, and it is really really working that way. So I was very like fascinated by the fact that I could develop this being a non-coder in 3 4 hours. So yeah, uh, so right. I mean, it's nice. It's incomplete though. Most of it is just like incomplete, but yes, I'll try to complete it. At least some of the openings that I really want to learn. Right, so like for example, it's finished right now. The one line is finished. So basically, what happens in chess is that you've got a lot of openings, and every opening has sub main lines for it. You can consider it as a tree basically, where every move has a different line, and every move follows up to a different kind of setup on the board. So for example, if Naj Dorf version, if I start playing this, I guess it's different. Um, No, actually, since I'm telling you, right, it's not completed, but I will. I'm trying to complete it. It's the same opening right now, which was the main line, but every opening is different. Right. I guess it's different. I have no idea. So leave this. See, I'm gonna show you some like how did I actually start to build it. For example, let's find out some errors and just for example, the main line is working, and the main line is what follows up in all of the variations, which should not be like that. Every line is different, right? So let me train the model on these lines, right? Let me do that. Wait, let it load. Well, yes. So let's try it out. See, I wanted to add actual variations to, for example, narrative off variation. I wanted to add it, right? So what I'll do is just go to the my project, right? Wait a second. Well, so I've opened my chat GPT in my app, and right. Let me just show you it. For example, I've just been prompting in GPT what I want to do, detailed prompts, and I'm just pasting it here, right here. Right, so let me just, for example, the narrative version was not working. The main line was working with it. So let's try it. Wait. Right, so I've prompted this and I've explained the bug clearly. So yes, it's giving me the prompt and I'll just paste it in this. Let's see how it works. Right. Um, Agent. Now you see the um basically automatic coding happening. See, it first goes through your problem, goes through what you've described, and just do the prompting and all the shit. I mean, see, I literally have no idea what's going on, but still, I'm able to make an app which works. What better than that? And I'm trying to learn it side by side as well, so that I can actually be a bit good at it personally. I hope you can see the screen right. So, for example, let's practice Karogan. So we've got two variations in this. I mean, and actually, you've got a lot of them, but for right now, we've got two. Uh, So it's basically right. It shows you the right move. It shows you what to do next. It makes you learn. That's how we learn chess. All right. It does have some bugs right now. For example, it should not have gone that way. For example, the move's not working here. It does have some bugs, but I'll try to fix them. See, it's not working. All right, not an issue. Sicilian works quite well because maybe I've been prompting. Oh, it's not working. Or maybe because it's coding right now. Wait a minute. It has done its work, I guess. It does have some bugs again. The move is not working now. The board is stuck, and we cannot play a move. So you have to fix three, four problems for me. Number one is that you can choose a different piece if you've chosen one. For example, if I click on a pawn and I want to, you know, change the piece, so I don't have to like touch the pawn again. I can just go to directly to the other piece. Second problem is that I can slide pieces on the board, like the actual chess.com and other things work. I can slide a piece on the board, which is not happening there. And third, what I want is let's just treat out these two problems first. Yeah, it understood the problem and it's given me a prompt. Let's try it and let's try it out. Just copying from here and pasting here. I'll also improve the UI. It's not looking that great if you actually, you know, it's simple. See the inspiration I'll show you. It's this, right? See, I've learned Vienna from it. So this is actually how it is supposed to work. I'll also add this eval bar in the right. So this is actually very nice, right? But this is paid. The problem is paid, right? But it can, I can build it. Let's try building it out. Why not? For example, Sicilian. See, I'm trying out. People say that you cannot 100% depend on AI, but it's just I'm just trying out. It might work, might not. Okay, so it's saying it's work. Let's refresh. Let's improve the UI in this video. I've shown you all the basic stuff which I've done. Let's improve the UI. So the first change would be that the piece should not come while sliding. Not the whole box should come while sliding. Only the piece should come, right? First would be that, and second would be that maybe I want the pieces a little bit better. I'll upload the I want this leeches ones, or maybe some different. Let me go on chess.com. Let's select pink. I love pink. It is what it is. No, let's not. We'll make this background. This is a bit of bluish grayish. We'll make the background black or white as the user suggests. And we'll make this color. Let me take a screenshot of this and upload it to GPT. Okay, so this would be the second part. First part would be to remove this square thing, and second part would be to make this UI. Third part would be when this arrow comes, right? Wait a second. Let me just play a wrong move, right? When this arrow comes, this arrow is also not looking great. It's looking like ah. So let me just improve this arrow as well. This arrow should be how should be wait. Let me. So we've got three problems right here. First is the square thing, the squares which are moving. Second is the this UI, and third would be the arrow thing, right? Three things we've got. Let's find out more problems through it. Opening lab. The name and all we'll decide later, right? That's not a problem. The board should be a bit bigger. So first problem is what was the first problem? Just right. So the next problem is so this whole the board would be bigger. The sidebar would be also bigger, and it should also like. Let me just prompt it up, right? I'll show you the prompt. Well, hey, so I've done a lot of this. Most of it is complete. All the issues and bugs that we talked about are most of them are sorted, right? Uh, there's no evil bar right now, or there's no wait, let me just show you, right? See, the board is changed, the pieces are changed. It works, the these slides as well, and the transitions are smoother. right? You can actually feel that, right? You can actually feel that. It works great. Accelerated dragon. This is in yeah. For example, if I choose mainline, like I've learned this through just practicing on this. I don't know why I'm stuttering right now, but yes, it is what it is, and yeah, I mean it's a great what do you say, improvement on this website. I'll surely be completing it, not today. Uh, that is all for today, but I'll surely be completing it and uploading videos on it. Um, it's really crazy. It's really, I mean, extraordinary that we can just create websites, create app with logic, with right, what logic it takes in chess, illegal moves, checkmates, and whatnot. I mean, it's a lot, right? And you can just do it without having any knowledge of web development, any knowledge of coding and all those. Like I haven't touched a single line of code throughout this app making process, even a single line. I just uploaded these, pictures of the pieces, and that was it. Rest of it, there was only prompting and pasting. So I mean, yeah, it's really great. And by the way, I don't have even it's like I'm dumb and I've made this. So yeah, telling this 5 years in the past to a web developer would shock his ass out. But today it is the reality, and I mean, I'm even more fascinated about the future, what comes next, right? Yeah, we will create this in the next few videos. Sure, sure it is. Thank you.